So hello learners, how are you all? So today I am here with another topic which is fluency. Because if we are learning English language, so most of the time we are following some English speakers, and everywhere everyone is saying speak English fluently with confidently. We are learning lots of times. So I want to ask one question. Do you know what is the meaning of fluency? According to you, whatever the information you have, do you know the meaning, exact meaning of fluency? Because everyone is talking about fluency, how to speak fluently, speak English in 30 days fluently, speak English fluently in 90 days. They are all saying fluently, fluently. What is the exact meaning of fluently? I am speaking with you all and I am talking with you all. I am fluent or not? But you will rate about me. I am fluent or not? And what are the meaning of these all people, what they are saying? What is the meaning of fluency? So I was attending a session of Aman Maskeen sir, and he is teaching people English for last 9 years. So I just attended this session and I got some valuable information. So my goal is to whatever the information I learn from book, from workshop, from seminar, from any people, I just share with you all. So I just attended the session and I got some valuable point. And he also talk about lots of strategies how we can speak English fluently, and he also tell the exact meaning of fluency. What is the meaning of fluency? If I am talking, I am fluent or not? How you are going to judge any people, he is fluent or not? So there are 5 things which include in fluency. If you got these 5 points, if you are good in all these 5 points, it means we can rate you that you are fluent. What are these 5 points? So I have written there 5 points about fluency. So first point, which is writing. We are just saying speak English fluently with confidently. So we think like we have to just speak. There's nothing about writing or reading. But the first thing, which is writing, if you are not correctly write any sentence, you are not going to speak correctly. So in fluency, first step, first thing, which is write. You should have the ability to write the good and correct sentences. If you are able, then you pass the first step to going the fluency. So first is write. We have, because if we are going to write, we got some time, 5 seconds or 6 seconds to write. We can think and write and reply in mail or in text or anywhere. So first is write. We have to focus on writing, that we are able to write correctly. Then second is speak. Second is speaking. You are able to speak, then it means you pass the second thing. You are able to write and plus speak. Then third, quickly. Because most of the people are able to speak English, but maybe they are not speaking quickly. Because if I am sitting in front of you all and I am speaking, hello, so today I am here to talk about the fluency, and you know the I am going to talk about fluency. There are 5 things in fluency. First is write, then speak, then quickly. Then third is quickly. Because most of the people are able to speak English, but maybe they are not speaking quickly. Because if I am sitting in front of you all and I am speaking, hello, so today I am here to talk about the fluency, and you know the I am going to talk about fluency. There are 5 things in fluency. First is plus. So what do you feel about me? If I am talking like this, what do you feel? You will consider me that what you are doing, it's a nonsense thing you are doing. Yes. So the quickness, it means you are speaking English quickly, you are not going to think. And yes, pauses is good, because in communication they say if you are taking pauses, it's effective in your speaking. So first is write, then speak, then quickly. If you are talking, you are giving any speech, you have to just maintain some modules, up and down and pauses, and you are speaking continuously. You are not taking unnecessary pauses. So this is the third point, which is quickness. You are speaking English quickly. And the fourth point is confidence. It means you are speaking English in front of the camera or in front of the audience. You don't have the hesitation in you. You are speaking English confidently with the speakers, with the audience. So this is a 4 point which is very important. Write, speak quickly and confidence. And fifth is correct. This is a final and very important thing, because if everything you are doing and you are not speaking English correctly, what everyone will consider you, what everyone think about you. This person doesn't know anything. He is speaking wrong English. His pronunciation is not good. His sentence structure is not good, and he doesn't know what is the meaning of that word. Why he used this word in that situation? So we have to also speak the correct English. So these are the 5 points which include in fluency. I write down there. You can see this. You can't see this. You can see this. Fluency. Fluency means, in fluency, 5 things: write, speak quickly, confidence, and correct English. If you follow all these 4 points, it means everyone will consider you that you are fluent speaker. You are able to speak English fluently and confidently. So thank you for today, and I think you got some valuable information from this video. So just keep learning, keep growing, and be 1% better every day. So I have also created a playlist of 30-day English speaking challenge. If you are interested, you can visit to the playlist and you can start implementing and start practicing every day. So you are going to impact in your life. So thank you for today. We will meet in next video. So thanks for today.